Today in the revision process, we are going to discuss one more Google form, smart charts. So let us together answer the smart charts. First question. How do you group tally marks together? What is the method? What is the method of tally marks? Tally marks means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we make group. So the answer is by 5. By 5. Answer to the first question is by 5s. Second one, there is a graph given. What is the name of the graph? What is the name of the graph? Huh?
Pictograph, sir.
No. No.
Bar graph.
Bar graph. Pictograph. Pictograph means you will have pictures. Pictograph means you will have pictures here. You will have pictures. When you have the pictures, pictograph. You have bars. You have rectangles. You have rectangles with the number 5, 4.
Sir,
Numbers are there means it is bar graph.
bar graph.
Bar graph is the right answer. Next. Graphs will help us to represent data. The smart charts, whatever the graph we are drawing, that will give some data. Yes, it is right. Next one. Next one. Use the information from the tally chart and answer the questions. Food items and how many items are sold, that information is already given in the tally form. Let us answer one by one. First question. How many burgers were sold?
16.
Burgers.
16 burger.
Look at the count.
16.
5, 16 are sold.
16 sold, sir.
16 sold.
Which item was sold?
Which item was sold most?
Pizza,
Whole number.
Pizza. Pizza.
You all
Sir,
are
it is
eating pizza, that's why it is sold
But
more.
24 pizzas were sold.
Number is not
Sir,
required. Number is not required. Yeah. More
24,
pizza.
sir.
You can see the diagram. You can say more is at pizza.
Pizza, sir.
Pizza is sold more.
Yes, sir. Pizza is more.
Next. How many more fried chickens were sold than hot
12,
dogs?
sir.
Hot dogs.
12, sir.
No, 12 is not there in the answer. You have to read the question.
Sir,
Not asking how many
four,
fried
sir.
chicken.
Sir,
How many more is asking? How many more? Hot dogs and fried chicken. You had to calculate the difference. Hot dogs and fried chicken. Hot dogs and fried chicken difference. Hot dogs are 8. Fried chicken are 12. 12 and 8. So 4 more. 4.
We told 4 only, na sir.
Some said 12. That's why I'm telling.
Yes.
Some said 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Okay, sir.
Which item is sold least? Least.
Hot dog.
Hot dog is sold least. Now, how many total are sold? You had to add everything. Burgers, how many? 16 burgers. How many pizza? 24 pizza. Fried chicken, 12. Hot dog, 8. Add this.
60.
Total 60. Yes. So in one question, 5 sub questions are there.
Sir, can I read how many kids
Here
like
games are mentioned and how many kids like the
23? Sir, 18.
Listen. Listen.
18 children.
I said listen means listen. When I am talking, you are not supposed to talk. Here, games mentioned, 4 games. Here, number of kids who like the game, not playing, who like the game. That list is given. First of all, you have to count all 4 tally marks. If you count them all 4, then we can easily answer one by one. Football. Then rugby, volleyball, tennis. So what is the number? First get the number. Football, how many? 15 like. Rugby, 18 like. Volleyball, 13 like. Tennis, 20. When we have the number with us, then no need to look at the table. Already I wrote on the board. Now let us answer one by one. How many students like rugby? Rugby, 18.
18 members. Children. How many kids like volleyball? Sir, 13, sir. Volleyball.
How many kids like volleyball?
Sir,
Only
13.
Volleyball, 13 is the number.
Yes, sir.
How many like tennis?
20, sir.
20. You have to read the table and give the answer. How many like football? 15.
15, sir.
How many like football and rugby total? Football and rugby total.
15 plus. Sir, 33.
The total. 15
Sir,
is
33.
33 is the total.
33, sir.
Yes. 33 is the total. Next. How many more kids like tennis than rugby? So how many more like tennis? Tennis 20, rugby 18. What is the difference?
Sir, 2.
How many
2,
more
sir.
like rugby than tennis?
2, sir.
Like
2 are
tennis than
different.
rugby. So 20 members like tennis, rugby 18. The difference is 2. How many kids
Yes,
were asked
sir.
about their favorite sport? Means total. Total, how many students are asked to give their interest? The total you have to do. 66. Total 66 is in the third one.
Sir, second one is tennis 20. How many most like both?
How many more kids like rugby than football? How many more rugby and football difference? Rugby 15, football 15. Rugby 18, football 15. So the difference 3. Last one is there. Last one. Last one is 3. Scroll down. Scroll down if you are not getting. See here there is a scroll down option is there. See I am doing. That you have to do to answer this. Which is the most favorite sport?
Tennis.
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 Students like tennis more. Tennis.
Tennis.
The third one. What is the least favorite sport? Less number. Volleyball.
Sir, volleyball, sir.
Volleyball. See, I answered here.
Sir, we can go to next one, sir.
If all completed, we can go to the next one.
Yes, sir, completed. Sir, we can do this our own, sir, also.
Then do it. Stop talking. Why you keep always talking? If you know answer, keep doing. I'm not asking to give the answer. Always you shout in the class. If you know the answers, keep on doing. Don't talk to me. Use the information from tally chart and answer the questions. Cat, dog, and one bird. Small number only. You can easily answer. How many more birds are there than cat? 3 cats are there. 5 birds are there. What is the difference that you have to give? Total, how many cats are there? So direct question.
3.
Which animal is the most favorite?
Sir,
Bird
bird.
is the most favorite, the number more. Least is dog. Over.
Sir, dog.
That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, dancer.
Next. Computers sold in 4 shops. Answer this carefully.
Sir, shop C, sir. Sir,
Shop C, 30 computers are sold. So in which shop we are getting more number of sales? Shop C. Which shop we can see less number of sales? 15 computers were sold in shop D. So shop D is the least. Somebody are talking, please mute yourself. Vaishnavi. How many computers were sold in shop A? Then Shop D. What is the difference of A and D? Shop A 25, shop D 15. 25 and 15. What is the difference?
10, sir.
10 computers. 10 computers is the answer. Next. How many computers were sold in shop B? Only shop B sales. Shop B sales 20 computers.
So the answer is 20.
20. Shop B means only 20. What, Hujifa? You want to say something?
Sir, I have completed the Google form, but sir, it is showing that I have got 78 out of 80, but sir, the answers are correct, sir.
I have to check now. How can I tell right now? You submitted
sir.
means you have to cross check your answers. Only after the
Sir,
class
all
I
are
can
correct,
check.
sir. I cross-checked it.
Now I cannot tell Hujifa, I'm in the class. No, how can I tell? Once the class
Okay,
is
sir.
done, then I will check the answers where you have gone wrong. Right now, I
Okay,
can't do anything. I'm in the class. After the class only I can check. If you have submitted, you got marks, fine. Where you got mark, where you lost the marks, that I can tell only after the class. Next, how many computers were sold both in A and C? A and C you have to add 25A and C is 30. 30 and 25 will be 55. First option. Next. Which shops together sold 40 computers in total? Total 40 you have to get where it is possible. 40. 25 in A, 15 in D. Shop A and D, I think. Shop A and D. A 25, D 50, altogether 40. Walking, bicycle, bus, train, car. These are the medium of transport, how the students are coming to the school. How many come by walk, how many come by cycle, how many by bus, how many by train, and how many by car. This list is given here. Based on the list, you have to answer. How many students come by bicycle to the school? Bicycle. Look at the second bar, which is giving 30 as the number.
That's 30.
How many more take bus to school than train? Difference of bus and train is asking how many more, the difference of bus and train. Bus by 35, train by 15, I think. No, train by 20. Bus by 35, train by 20. So the difference 15. How many students come by car? 10 members come by car. How most of the students means which medium of transport more number is coming by walk. More number are coming by walk. More number are coming by walk. Okay, that's all. If all completed, I will go to the next question. You have to look at the chart and answer the questions. Very simple. Smart chart is a topic where you can score full marks. Favorite pizza toppings. Tomato, pepper, onion, pepperoni, bacon, mushroom. These are the toppings done on the pizza to increase the taste or flavor. Okay. Which is the most popular topping? Which is the most popular topping? Why all are in silent? I'm asking you, which is the most favorite?
Sir,
Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Which topping has 250 votes? 250 votes.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. How many customers have chosen pepper tapping? 100, 150. In between is there. 100, 150. In between means 125. 125 is not in the bar graph, but you have to calculate. 100, 150 exactly in between. You have 125. Next, how many customers have chosen tomato topping? Tomato topping, only 50 chosen. Only 50, 50. Look here. Reading, singing, dancing, painting. These are the hobbies which are shared on the pie chart or chapati chart. Which is the most liked habit? Which is most liked? Many students like which habit among these four? Reading, singing, dancing, and painting. So what is the answer? Most liked hobby? Reading. I am not getting any responses. Why all are in silent mode? Be active and do it. Which hobby is liked least? Painting is liked least. Which hobby got the same number of votes? Out of 4 hobbies, which are equal? Dancing and singing looks equal in the chapati chart. Which hobby got less votes? Reading or dancing? No. Comparison, reading and dancing. Among reading and dancing, which is less? Dancing is less. Least is different, comparison is different. Among dancing and reading, which is least? Next. Read the pie chart. How many students prefer swimming?
Sir, 85 students.
85. It is clearly there in the pie chart. You can answer it easily. How many students not like football? 100 like football. Other than 100, you have to give the answer. Means you have to add all other 4. Other than football, add other. 85, 55, 25, 15. 180. 180 are not liking football. Football is only 100. So remaining is other than football. 180. How many students are asked? Means you have to add everything. Just now we got 180 and football 100. Add 280. Or add all the numbers one after the other.
Sir, 280, sir.
280, yes. Each question 1 mark. How many potatoes were grown in 2011 than 2009? How many in 2011? How many in 2009? You have to subtract.
Sir, 15.
75 in 2011, 60 in 2009. Subtract. 75 minus 60, 15.
Sir, answer is 15.
Next. What is the title of the graph?
Sir, cookie sale.
Cookie sales.
Cookies sale and number of boxes. Cookies sale and number of boxes. How many boxes? Number of boxes. Cookies sale is the right one. Yeah. Next. What was the population in 2001? In 2001, what was the population? 2001. Red dot above. That is between 40 and 60. So 50 is the answer. 50 is the answer. Between which 2 years the bear population is constant, not increasing, not decreasing. It is constant means straight line. You can see here. 2004 and 2005. You can see there. Here you can see 2004 and 2005. There is no change. Next, find out the growth chart. What could be the length of this plant on 14th day? 14th day, what can be the length approximately?
Sir, can I off the video I am doing in Google?
Okay,
Form, sir.
okay.
That's why I'm offing video.
Okay. 14th day. 14th day. You have to join the points. You have to draw the graph, you have to join the points. If you join the points between 12 and 16, 14 means 12, 13, 14. It will come somewhere here.
Sir, 8.6.
Between 12 and 16, it will come below 10. Above 9 only, below 10 somewhere it will come. So 9.9 can be taken. 9.9 can be taken as the answer. 9.9. It is not more than 10. It is not less than 9. It is between 9 and 10. It is 9.9 something. Next. Which vehicle was seen most? Easily you can answer. Scooter
Yes,
was
sir.
seen most.
Sir, scooter, sir.
Yeah. How much mark did he improve in class 5th and class 2nd? So
20,
class,
sir.
how many marks?
20, sir.
Class 5th, how many marks? Class 2nd, how many marks? You have to get the difference.
20, sir.
Class
20, sir.
Class 5th, how many marks? 80 marks.
20.
Class 2nd, 60 marks. So the difference is
Sir, 10.
20.
80
20,
minus
sir.
60. 20 is the answer.
20, sir. 20, sir.
20, 20. Ajay made a record of his favorite animals he saw in the zoo. Make a tally chart and answer the following questions. So what are the animals are there here? Elephants are there. Tigers are there. Then deer are there. Then left with 5th B students. Am I right? Elephant, tiger, deer and remaining are 5th B students. Huh?
No, sir.
No. So last column I can see very beautiful 5th B students. All are in discipline. Okay. Let us answer one by one. How many animals all together? Okay, all together you have to. All together. How many elephants? 15.
7.
Elephants are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
Tigers 5.
5, sir.
Deer
So 42. Sir.
12.
12, sir.
Then monkeys 15. Add this.
Which animal is least in number? Human.
Sir, the total answer is 42, sir.
Yes,
42.
sir. 42. Yes, sir. 42.
But I am not getting 42. How? Oh, it is 18. Okay, I thought 15. Okay, 42 is the right answer.
Yes.
42 is the right answer. Next. Which animal is least in number? Yes, of course.
The tiger.
Tiger. Day by day, tiger strength is decreasing in our country. Maximum number, animal maximum number is our students.
Sir,
Yeah.
no, sir.
Next. Total, how many monkeys are there? 18. 18 monkeys are there. Okay. Next. Rectangles are given. Each line indicates one number. that they have mentioned there. Cats, 5 boxes, 4 boxes means 20, 20 and 4 lines, 24. How many children all did? You have to count all. 24 dogs. How many like dogs? That number. Add all the numbers. If you add all the numbers, write the numbers. 24, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 32. 24, 32. Like this, add everything and give the answer. Next. Which is the most favorite pet animal? Dog. More number is there. So dog. Which is the least favorite animal? Parrot. Well, only 8, I think. If you get the number, if number is there, you can easily answer. Yeah, make it fast. Read and write the number of the given tally mark. What is the first one? 5, then 3, then 11, then 6. 5, 3, 11, 6. First one. 5, 3, 11, 6 is the first one. 5, 3, 11, 6. Next. Different vehicles in the town. Which vehicle is maximum in the town? Motorbike. Which vehicle is only 5 in number? Which vehicle is count 5 in number?
Car.
In the rough paper, you write the number. If you count and write the number, easy to answer. Only 5 cars are seen. Total number of vehicles, you have to add everything. Add everything, add all the stars. That is 6. Which is least seen? Bus. How many motorbikes are there in total? Motorbikes. 12 motorbikes are there. Number of auto rickshaws. Nine rickshaws are there.
Sir, 1 minute, can you go back? I'll copy the answers.
Done. Abhinav, somebody talking in your background. Next. The information about the number of pets. How many dogs?
6, sir.
6. How many birds?
7, sir.
Birds.
Sir. 2, sir.
Birds. 2 birds. Birds last column. Cats. 4 cats.
4, sir.
Fish. 7.
7, sir.
Done, sir.
Students who are absent to the class on a particular day in a school is given. How many were absent on Tuesday?
$25, sir.
25 were absent on Tuesday. Yes. Absent on Thursday, then Monday. So difference between Thursday and Monday. Monday 15, Thursday 30. Monday 15. No, Monday and Tuesday is asking, not Thursday. Tuesday 25, Monday 15. The gap is 10, 25 minus 10. On which day least number of absentees? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
On which day most children are absent?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Two more questions are there. Let me finish up. Pie chart. Which sport is more popular?
Sir,
Cricket. You look at the circles, which is having more area? Cricket. Least popular? Squash. Among hockey and squash, which is more? Hockey.
Hockey.
Squash and hockey.
Hockey.
Next is squash and tennis. So definitely
tennis, sir.
more. Tennis more. Last question. Attendance board of a school having classes 1 to 4 on Friday. Friday, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4 of a particular section. How many total, how many present, how many absent is recorded. How many children are absent on all the days? You have to add absentees of all the days. 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8.
$22, sir.
22, sir.
22. Yes, 22 is the right answer. How many children all are present on that day? How many present? You have to add 28, 26.
Sir,
116.
116, sir.
Which class has the maximum number of absentees? Where we have maximum number of absentees? 8 absentees in 4th class. Which number has the least number of absentees? Only 2. Class 1.
Last one.
So that's about your Google form. All questions are explained. Okay.
Okay,